Hi everyone, I'm Arjun Gupta, the founder and creator of Courseplay. And today we have Mr. Ashutosh Kapila with us. He's an alum of XLRI. He's led L&D for nearly 2 decades across multinational organizations. He was awarded the top 20 influencers in L&D last year, and he's currently a coach and advisor on learning and the learning experience. Welcome, Mr. Kapila. It's great to have you on today.
Thank you. Great to be here. Looking forward to a conversation.
Now, with all of this new technology coming into the picture, with these big new capabilities, there's a lot of automation happening. There's a lot of intelligence being added through software. How do we strike a balance between, what does the professional L&D bring to the table versus what does the product or tool bring to the table?
See, I think, it is always going to be a human experience. Learning is a human experience, and you can't kind of forego the need for the part which helps you get coaching, mentoring, and a more human experience. So that has to be woven into the AI that you layer in your systems, because AI, the one limitation is that uses existing data, right? So if the existing data is not really 100% correct, or there are some issues, then the result is also likely to be a bit flawed or biased, right? In some cases, it's biased because you get biased data, right? So the need for actually having L&D to be more of analysts, the role of L&D as I see it, and I've said it in many fora, is now no longer the traditional kind of learning and development function which prescribes and assigns training to the learner, because the learner is empowered to learn whatever he or she can. I mean, it's a very huge repository of courses, programs, micro-learning, blogs, videos that the person has access to, a huge amount of content. So the job is not really to start developing content. The job is not really to even maybe recommend content, because you get role-based learning journeys coming out of the platform. I think the job is to create a more humanized experience, build the ecosystem and the support which enables learner experience to get enhanced, right? So you got a platform which is great, but doing the governance around the platform and making sure that you're analyzing the right things, coming up with the right kind of analytics to support your decision making around learner preferences and learning journeys. I think that's where the role is shifted. And if you see all this, it's to me, it's like learning is moving closer to business, right? It's everybody's KRA to build capability. That's what's a differentiator according to me, and not so much embedded only in HR and sort of staying there. So I think it's diffused and spread across the organization as everybody's KRA, right? That's the way I would see it.
So just to quickly sort of do a recap. So you're saying the L&D team's role is no longer to prescribe learning. That's being automated. But driving the learning experience and then pulling data and analytics from the learning that's happening, that's becoming the role of L&D.